Once upon a time there was a man called Sinbad. He lived in a big city. He was brave and clever, and he liked to help people. But he was very poor. One day, he left the city to seek his fortune. He traveled until he reached the sea. He saw that a big boat was getting ready to set sail. "I shall go to sea and have an adventure," he said to himself. Sinbad asked the sailors if he could go too. They were going to the land of ice and snow. They sailed for many days. It got colder and colder. Every day they looked for somewhere to land. One day they saw a small island. The sailors were happy, but Sinbad was not. "Something is not right," he said to the sailors. The sailors didn't listen. "You are not a sailor," they cried. "Go and get some fish for us to eat." Sinbad liked to help people, so he did as he was told. He caught lots of fish. The sailors lit a fire to cook them. Suddenly, the island began to shake. "Oh no," said Sinbad. The island began to shake again, and water shot high into the sky. But this was not an island. It was a whale. "Help!" cried the sailors. They jumped into the boat and sailed away. They left Sinbad. Sinbad had an idea. He climbed into the cooking pot and used the spoon to row away. At last he came to a sandy beach. He saw a king riding towards him. Suddenly, an octopus came out of the sea and grabbed the horse's leg. The king fell onto the sand. Sinbad was good at helping. He hit the octopus with his spoon until it let go of the horse. "Thank you," cried the king. "You have saved my favorite horse. What can I give you as a reward?" "I just want to go home," said Sinbad. The king gave Sinbad a ship to take him home. He also gave him a big bag of treasure. Now Sinbad was rich, and he was very happy, until it was time for the next adventure.